Let's take a look here at Cloud Audit Logs, which lets you know who did what by logging API calls performed within your GCP account. And there are different types of audit log types. So you have admin activity, which is when you have direct user-driven API calls or actions. So if you are using gCloud, you're clicking around, launching stuff, that's what it's going to be tracked under. Then you have the data access logs. These are API calls specific to data services. You have to turn on data access because it does cost money. This is no different than, let's say, AWS, where they actually have like data logs for S3 buckets and things like that. Because if you were to track every data change and you have a lot of data, that adds up really quickly. So there's going to be obviously a charge for that. You have system events. These are API calls that are indirectly called by systems. So let's say you launch a virtual machine. So that would be the admin activity, but the virtual machine indirectly has to do something and call an API itself. Then those will get logged there. Then you have policy deny. So these are when you have denied access to a user or service because of a security policy or violation. I do need to point out that log entries are written by Cloud Audit Logs are immutable. So for the most part, you're going to be able to keep that data, which is a good idea. I don't know if you can like hide it or whatever, but the point is the data will still be there, which is I think a pretty good policy there. There's things we can talk about like retention of logs and permissions, but if we need to, I will make additional videos for that. But the question is like, where do you see your logs? Well, this is going to be in the Log Explorer. So it has a whole interface here. You can choose the time range. It has a query language. It's pretty complex, but the point is that this is what we're using. So when you think about logs, you should immediately think of Log Explorer. There is another service that I believe is called Log Analytics. Again, this is probably to kind of match against AWS's offering as they have an analytics tool. So I can't remember the names off the top of my head, but yeah, so Log Explorer or Cloud Audit Logs is basically like CloudTrail in AWS, but there you go.